Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Camarillo, CA. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Just 4 minutes drive from shopping at factory outlets, this Camarillo Motel offers a seasonal outdoor pool. All rooms include cable TV with extended channels. Ferd Kavli Theater is 12.5 miles away. Offering free Wi-Fi, each air-conditioned room at Motel 6-Camarillo features a private bathroom. All rooms boast vibrant decor and light wood furnishings. A 24-hour reception is offered at Camarillo Motel 6. Fax and photocopying services are available. Vending machines featuring snacks and drinks are located on site. Mugu Park is 10 miles from this motel. Ventura County Discovery Center is 18 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.